2024 was a year of remarkable growth and achievement for Reflex. We grew to over 60 employees from 18 nationalities. We opened a second new office here in Berlin, and our Munich facility is ready to begin operations. We secured 3 additional commercial contracts and secured a number of new, strong partnerships to strengthen our positioning. Our presence in the space industry has never been stronger than now. We've been featured in global outlets to recognize our presence in the industry and our achievements so far. We've been invited to be panelists and speakers at various exciting events like the World Space Business Week, the Munich NewSpace Summit, or the Taiwan Space Accelerator Plus program, just to name a few. This year we completed a number of research and development projects, like the FlatSat study for ESA, the Generative AI for SATCOM application study for ESA, the Responsive Space Demonstrator SmartSat SpaceLink, and we also strengthen our own expertise in additive manufacturing for applications all around the satellite design. We shipped SIGI, our first satellite, to its launch site, showing our significant advancement in designing and developing that satellite in record time. We had the pleasure to host visitors from across the industry and government to showcase why Reflex is different and what makes us stand out. We have the reputation of being rebels in the industry. I think we demonstrated that in the past, but this year at the SpaceTech Expo, our exceptional marketing performance topped it all. We had the by far best visited booth of the whole expo. To the Reflex team, our partners, investors and friends, thank you for your continuous support and dedication to our mission. While 2024 was already an exceptionally strong year, 2025 will be even better. Stay tuned for what happens next.